Hello and welcome to our channel. In our last video of the NDO 365 series, we introduced you to the additional option of authentication via ADFS and TeamSet Notes. Today we would like to deal with the topic of delegation, as TeamSet Notes now also supports the option of defining one or more employees who can create a Teams meeting on your behalf using the HCL Notes calendar. All you have to do is give your representative read and write access to your calendar in the HCL Notes mail settings. The next time you authenticate via TeamSet Notes, our solution transfers the set of representatives from the Notes specifications to the TeamSet Notes delegation list. Here you have to tick the box which grants this particular person the right to create Teams meetings on your behalf. If you are already authenticated, so that the TeamSet Notes authentication window does not appear again, you can grant and edit the corresponding right via Action 0365 Edit Delegation. In our case, Lynn should now be able to create a Teams meeting in Lydia's name. Once Lydia has made the respective settings and authenticated herself via TeamSet Notes, Lynn can now switch to Lydia's calendar and will be able to see the Create Teams Meeting on Save checkbox when creating a new meeting. Since Lynn is in Lydia's calendar and Lydia has already authenticated herself in Teams, TeamSet Notes accesses Lydia's authentication token. This way, there is no further need for authentication on Lynn's side when clicking on Save and Send invitations. With the new delegation feature of TeamSet Notes, Lynn can now easily support Lydia in organizing her meetings and, in addition to normal Notes meetings, also create Teams meetings in Lydia's name. Do you use the calendar delegation in HCL Notes and don't want to do without this function when creating Teams invitations? Then give us a call and get the latest version of TeamSet Notes. We will keep you up to date on the new features of our solution on this channel. If you want to find more about the integration options of HCL Notes Domino and MSO 365, visit us on our website www.itwu.de.